Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adil Fatir from Mathematics and NIM 25000515005. Here I will explain about compound sentence and connectivity. Check it out. The definition of a compound sentence is a sentence formed from several single propositions using connectives. There are 5 main connectives. The first, conjunctions. The second, implicit disjunctions. The third, explicit disjunctions. The fourth, implications. The fifth, be implications. First, the conjunctions. The conjunctions of P and Q, written P and Q, is the propositions P and Q. True if both P and Q are true and false otherwise. In other words, P and Q equals F if either proposition is false. Conjunctions can also be defined in statements there are not propositions. If at least one of P or Q is not a proposition, then the conjunctions P and Q is also not a proposition. The second, the disjunction of P and Q, written P or Q, is the propositions P or Q. False if both P and Q are false and true otherwise. Similarly, disjunctions can be extended to statements that are not propositions. In other words, P or Q equals T if at least one proposition is true. Third, the exclusive disjunctions of P and Q, written P and Q, is a proposition that is true if exactly one of the P or Q is true and false otherwise. Exclusive disjunctions notations sometimes use XOR. Thus, R, P and Q equals T if exactly one of the proposition is true or exactly one is false. Exclusive disjunctions notation can use the expressions or exclusive or else. The fourth, the implications P and Q is the proposition if P then Q. False if P is true and Q is false, otherwise true. The statement P and Q is also called a conditional sentence, with P called the hypothesis or antecedents and Q called the conclusion or consequence. In other words, tau P implication Q equals F if tau P equals T and tau Q equals false F. The fifth, B implication P left right arrow key is the propositions P if and only if Q is true if both P and Q have the same truth value. Otherwise, it is false. The statement P left right arrow key is the conjunctions of two implications P implication Q and Q implication P. Therefore, it is called B implications. Another term for B implication is B conditional or two-way conditional sentence. It is easy to show that tau P left right arrow key equals tau P implication Q and Q implication P. In other words, tau P left right arrow key equals T if P and Q have the same truth value, that is both are true or both are false. Now, this is connectivity truth table. For conjunctions, true and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is false, false and false is false. For disjunctions, true and true is true, true and false is true, false and true is true, false and false is false. For disjunctions exclusive, true and true is false, true and false is true, false and true is true, false and false is false. Now for implications, true and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is true, false and false is true. For B implications, true and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is false, false and false is true. Next, this is the sample case, one of the sample case. For P, today is Saturday. For Q, today is raining. For this statement, only the conjunctions is answered, while the other four connectives can be answered by yourself. The conjunctions is P and Q. Today is Saturday and today is raining, or provided as today is Saturday and it is raining. The truth value of P depends on when this sentence is said. If it is said on Saturday, then tau equals T, but if it is said on a day other than Saturday, then tau equals false. The third value of key depends on the situation on the day it is said. If it is raining on the day it is said, then tau key equals T. But if it is not raining, then tau key equals F. So the truth of the conjunctions tau, P and Q is tentative and situational. That's all from me. Thank you.